All right. Okay. Today is 2017 March 13th, and just are 2 days before the FOMC meeting. So let's get some preparation for this week's trades. All right. Um, Feel free to uh, give me a chat here. Okay. Ask any questions you want. And I'm going to touch about it from DXY, from the dollar index, and cover about some future products as well. All right. So DXY has been rally quite good from the since February. So it's actually a nice rally. Okay. However, it looks like there's some selling force comes in at the 618 level. Okay. If you look at it closely, right, the DXY actually hit. Okay. Previously we have a buying trade here, right? We have our first target and second target at 102. So this 102 actually gives us a very good place to take profit of these long positions. And now the price falls down, right? Falls down. So it falls and gives us maybe a better opportunity to buy it again. So where is the buying? Because we know that from the expectations. Okay, I think guys, you know, right? So what is the expectation for this interest rate decision 2 days later? Do you know? What is the expectations? The US, the Fed is going to do what? Yeah, increase the rate. Yes, and yeah, we can see clearly they are going to increase the rate for 0.25% here, right? The expectation is here will rise to 1%. So this is a good, very important decisions. Okay, so probably the dollar may get strength after it. Okay, however, we see the price action here that comes out as selling force here. And if the price, okay, I just give you the result, right? If the price ever comes back to 10.39, okay, 100.40, and check out the structure, check out the price action, you may find a good place to buy the dollar again. Okay, we get it? Pull back 618, and another wave is going up. Okay, it may form these patterns. Okay, because we know the fundamental will support the dollar to keeps going up because they are increasing rate, while the Japan is QE and the euro is also QE, right? So just bear in mind, we want to buy the dollar, but we don't want to buy high. We want to buy the low, buy the pullback. Okay, focus on the price action, focus on the structure, and 140, that is very important level, very important level. Okay, maybe you can get a flight here. Okay, take the trade of the long dollar from here and all the way holds to 103.50. That's very likely to happen. Okay, let's go back to euro. Okay, the euro actually doing quite good since last week. Okay, however, today it just hits 0.618 level. Okay, I remember I think one of the students downtown actually tells us he actually shot at 1.07. Okay, yeah, so this is a 618 level and also the previous structure. This structure is very good. Okay, we can see the transformation from here. The buyers now become sellers, all right? And still the sellers in control. Look at the candle here. The candle is actually long pin bar. The tail is up, right? Long pin bar. So if the euro cannot close above 1.07, we are bearish. We are bearish on it. Okay, it may just goes down very quickly after the increasing of the rate, because it's doing a correction pattern, the ABCD correction pattern. Okay, so after the correction, the major trend will resume. All right, so yeah, look at the price action, especially after the event itself. Okay, after the dollar, I mean, we know that it's increased rate or not. You know the truth comes out. So check out this level, see the price action, see the candle closing price, and make yourself a good plan of it. All right, if cannot close above 1.07, you can short euro. All right. Okay, let's go back to the pound. Okay, the pound is actually in a very good place to buy, guys. Remember, and I actually tells you guys that it may goes to 1.2260, right? Yeah, and it does. It really goes here and even touched to 0.786. All right, it goes ready to touch the previous low. Okay, so this is there's a bad pattern here. All right, the bad pattern may complete. So just pay attention to this area 1.22068. Okay, if the bad pattern is doing well, we can buy because this is a good, very good buying area for this bad pattern. All right, it may give us this a good pin bar to buy and just reverse, totally reverse. So pound, just look at this bad pattern, and also of course you can check the RSI. Okay, the RSI is will give you some hint. Okay, right now the RSI is going up, but it may goes down again, but make a bullish divergence. Okay, so just focus on RSI. You see whether when the price goes down again, and you can see the RSI is giving you some bullish divergence. That will be perfect. Understand? Yeah. Just reply 1 if you get the idea. Okay, check out the price action at 1.2068. Check out the RSI whether they have a bullish divergence and looking for buy with a stop loss just below the X point, 1.1986. You can maybe put 1.1960 if you want. Okay, all right, let's move on. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Just tell me who bought the dollar yen from 102. Who bought the dollar yen at this structure, and who trade this guarded pattern? Raise your hand. I published this in TradingView. Raise your hand if you do. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad to hear from you guys that, yeah, Jack, I follow your idea and I make money, right? You make money. From 112.37, you earn almost 300 pips. Don't you? You trade after the pin. Yeah, that's also very good. The 200 pips move. All right. So what you can do, guys? What you can do now? Do you want to take some profit before Jamie said you drunk and miss it? Oh God. Okay, that's thanks God that you don't drunk and do the opposite. Right? It's good that you drunk and miss it. Cute guy. All right, so what you can do now is, since you already have some good profit, right, take some profit, okay, lock in, okay, take the money, put into your bank's account, okay, and try to close your position size to a minimum position size before the FOMC meeting, right, because that will be a risky event, okay, the tolerance, okay, so the volatility will be very, very huge, okay, but in the direction wise, do we still want to buy low? Yes, I do. Okay, if the price ever goes back to 112.90, I will consider to buy here. This structure, I will look at it. And also as well, the 618. The 618 is going to give us a hint to buy the dollar yen when it pulls back. Okay, so just focus on the pull back and buy it again. Okay, pull back and buy it again. You get it? It makes sense, right? It makes sense. Yeah, it's guarding pattern reversal, and also the previous downtrend is broken, right? The downtrend is totally broken, right? You may think this is a flag pattern or whatever, right? So you want to buy, you don't want to buy the breakout. I never ask you guys to buy the breakout. Yeah, this is guarding pattern, right? Don't buy the breakout. Don't buy the high. Buy the pullback. Buy the low. If you confirm the trend is up, you are buying a higher low, potential higher low of the uptrend, right? Okay, move on to Aussie. Okay, Aussie dollar is now facing a very, very good resistance right now. Look at here. This is a good structure. Very, very nice structure here. Okay, so this place has been, too many buying orders here, buy, right? Then boom, it crashed. So right now it pulls back to the structures. The structure trade, I'm actually taking the short again, right? Previously we short from here or from here, right? We short from this pullback. But it's just all the same, every time the same. You see a strong breakout, you don't chase the price. You find out the breakout to pull back and you take the trade. Right, and you get money. Right now it's here, another strong move out, move away. So when the price pulls back to the same place, make use of these selling orders, make use of those bull trapper, okay, those bull traps or those buyers, right? The buyers are trapped after this candle. Okay, those buyers is going to reverse their trade, close their trade, make a sell. Okay, so sell the Aussie from here. And maybe you can just set your stop loss above this pain will do 0.7608. All right, if the stop loss hits, just let it go. Okay, the price may even goes up higher to all the way to here, 0.7650. Of course, I don't want you guys to, to risk another 50 pips. Okay, don't do that. Okay, if the stop loss here is hit, just let it go. Okay, wait for a better position better place to short again, or you want to take a pullback to buy. That depends on the market movement, right? So Aussie, are we clear? Are we clear? If this place is going to hold the Aussie, we can short because we have a downside room. Downside room. It may just go, waterfall to here, since the dollar is going to increase the rate, right? It may goes back to all the way to 0.7250, right? And that is a very, very good movement. So you find a place to sell the high, sell the rally. Okay, downtrend. Remember, downtrend. Downtrend. We want to sell the high, sell the high, sell the pullback, sell the pullback. Okay, right? Very clear. Okay. All right, goes to dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. I think in my previous webinar, we tell you guys to buy the dollar CAD to line from 1.3050, right? This place, okay? So it really comes back, and also you can use a 618 level to trade as well. It is a good touch to the 618, 1.3085. That is a good place to buy. All right, and now you have a 400 pips win, and right now it has a strong move out. Okay, bull trap comes down all the way and sideways, so it is in a very good resistance zone. And some students actually ask me whether it's good to take the bad pattern, right? Yeah, I think it is good because it really goes into the structure. It has the structure, and RSI is making some help to short the bad pattern, and it really goes to the D point, all right? And now you enjoy the fall. Okay, but you do remember, take some profit of your first target when it hits to your first target here. Okay, it's about 1.3318. That is your first target. Okay, second target is 1.3184. That is second target. Especially pay attention to the 618 level. So when you're short position, you cover back from here, you may consider to buy it again. Okay, to long the dollar CAD from here. That would be good. That would be good, right? Okay, goes back to Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi dollar. Wow, fantastic fall, right? Who make it? Who make it? Tell me. That is a beautiful fall for the Kiwi, right? We want to sell the breakout. We sell the breakout, sell the pullback in the 1 hour chart. Did pull back to 0.7280, and now it's 0.69, 6080. Wow, that's 400 pips move. Right? It hits, sir. Both target. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the trade is closed. It's both TP2. It's both. Right, that's a good trade. Yeah, so you can just don't trade the Kiwi right now. You just watch it because it has already goes into the profit taking zone. Whether you want to buy, my suggestion is, yeah, if the structure holds, you can consider to buy a little bit and pulls back to 0.71285. You can short again. Okay. How do I know you update your idea? I have followed. I think, yeah, whenever I have update idea, you receive some notification from here. It's like, from this alarm. Who is actually, yeah, the author actually will do this. Yeah, you can receive some here. All right, so this trade are for aggressive people. You can consider to buy with the structure hold here. Okay, consider to buy already, and it may rally to here to 0.7971. Okay, to this structure. Okay, if ever goes up to high here, you can short again. Right. So my suggestion is don't trade the kiwi right now. Right. No need to trade it before the FOMC meeting. Okay. And lastly, let's check out the SPX 500. Okay, the S&P 500 make a bull trap all the way to 2,400, right? This is a strong move out, and it comes back again. All right, comes back again, and immediately, what you can do, guys? We see that the price has been sideways. Do we? Do you agree now the price is sideways? The high is here, the low is at 1355. It's right sideways, right? Yeah, type 1. Yes, agree? Yeah. So sideways market, what you can do? You can consider to sell the high, right? Pulls back to 2390. I think that is the best place to short. Okay, sell high, sell the high, boom. Okay, do the swing trade, do the counter trend trade. Okay, do the range bond market. Sell the high. Do you want to buy the low? Yes, of course, you can still consider to buy the low if you see good price action, right? But you want to make a confirmation entry. So you want to make sure, oh, I see the buying force are there. I see the 2350 are holding the price, didn't really go low, and with a very good stop here. Okay, just put your stop loss maybe 2349. That'll be good. You can trade a buy from the low, but I will focus on the sell the high. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you can consider buy the high, but just remember, if this structure is broken, the S&P may cover the gap. Jesus, this is very, very huge gap. Okay, it may cover the gap. So if you want to buy, you better run your profit quick. Okay, close your profit here, but it may goes back to this gap. So if you really want to buy, I think 2,300 would be a very good place to buy. Is this level? Okay, this is level. Okay, you wait for the price to come here, make use of the gap to buy, and for bounce. That will be good. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the oil. Okay, the oil, we have a fantastic setting, right? Guys, on February 22nd, February 27, right? I see, I published this idea. I say, pay attention to 54.50. Has a lot of pressure of the oil. So any people who take the short trade, boom, that's so beautiful. Right, from 54.60, and it always goes all the way, it goes to 48.33. Look at the move, beautiful, right? That is how powerful, how we analyze the market. We can identify the trading opportunities before the market moves, right? We identify the trade. We take the trade, we go in before the market really moves, and enjoy the profit of the analysis. You short but take profit in 53.70. I don't know. Yes, so that's actually a very, very good lesson for you, Kinsley. Okay, just remember, don't close all your profits at one level, right? You never know what the market will give you in the future, right? If you close all the profit here, right, you missed all the profit in the future. Okay, so make a multiple target. That would be good. Okay, multiple target, right, and set stop loss to break even after first target is hit, right? And now it's 48.33. That is a very, very nice trade. Okay, so right now, guys, let me ask you: do you want to buy? Do you want to, go into yeah, I'm going to buy. Is price going to rally back? Guys, do you have this kind of urge or temptation to buy? Okay. Eric says, yes, you want. Yes, I want. For short. Okay. Yeah, you want for short. No, don't want to buy it. Don't buy because it's strong bearish trend. the buyers are gone. The buyers are, you know, just escaping, right? Escaping. So the oil may all the way goes back to here, 45. That is the first level. Then it's going to 42. That is second level, and ultimately it may goes touch to 40. Okay, these are the three levels for the oil for the good support area. But right, that is definitely won't be now. So don't buy oil right now. If you own, even if you buy, it's just small bounce. Okay, so focus on the sell. Focus on sell. Okay, so where to sell? Easy. Make the structure works for you. So look at here, this is structure, right? Support, support, you can pull back, see a lot of support here, a lot of reaction, support, 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 support broken, right? Pulls back, goes down, right? So if the price ever comes back to 51 or 50.50, that is a good place to short. That is a good place to short again, okay? So that is oil, all right? Okay, lastly, let's talk about some about natural gas. Okay, natural gas. Okay, that is a beautiful fall. Okay, previously we short from 3.40, 47. If you remember, we take a short from here at this structure. Very beautiful structure, right? Okay, I think I mentioned in this webinar. I think January, right? Take short from here and all the way enjoy a crazy fall to 2.5. And now the price goes up, bounce back. But this, for me, as what I see is this is a correction, right? This is definitely a correction, just like last time here, correction. Okay, after the correction, strong move away, correction, move away. Right, so this is a big correction. It may moves away. Okay, so focus on the short, on the selling high. So where is the place? Look left. Look left. Where is the beginning of the bearish trend? It's here, right? This place. And look here. This is a very, very dominating engulfing candle, right? So this candle makes you a very good structure here. So if the price ever goes back to 3.133, you can short. You can short, or you can wait for the uptrend to be finished. Okay, wait for the uptrend to be finished, pulls back and short. Okay, get it? And check the daily chart. Even you know, that is even clear, right? You can easily identify this place, 3.09 to 3.14. That is a place. Okay, maybe I pull back a little. 3.118. So this is a good place to short the natural gas. Okay, so I think I have covered almost all the pairs, right? Any other trade you want me to check out? Gold and euro again. All right, you just miss it. Oh, no worries. You can just watch the okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I haven't touched the gold. Okay, the gold. What I publish in the trading view is I see this ABCD patterns, right? So for aggressive trader, you can take profit from. You can take a long from 1195. If you ever take the trade, you actually make money, right? For about $14, 140 pips, right? And ultimately, wait for 1222 to short again. Okay, so yeah, it has a good price action for this ABCD pattern. It just works so nice. Okay, you can see here the measure the moves gives a very, very precise, you know, level for you to buy. You buy it the almost the lowest point and reversed. Okay, so right now if you still want to buy the gold, watch for the pullback from to 1197 again and to buy it again. And aim for 1224. All right. No, what do you mean by no? What do you mean by no? I don't understand you. You're referring to which sentence? Oh yeah, I think I get you. Yeah, I didn't. 0.382. Yes, correct. Yeah, 0.382 may touch to this level, but our baseline structure is here. Okay, but it may even goes to 0.618. So if you short here, just make your stop loss very tight above this candle, above 1228 will do. Okay, that will be a good place to place your stop loss if you want to short the pullback. right? 2618, 1201, yeah, maybe 1 hour chart. But I don't see this as 2618 because the second bottom is, you know, really quite small. Okay, quite small. I will just use the structure, or maybe I will use the 618 level. Yeah, the 618 level looks good, but I will still consider to buy from here, 1199 to 1197, because this is a very strong bullish bar. Okay, bullish bar, back test, okay, pullback retest and goes up. So this, a lot of buying orders are here. Okay. All right. So for the euro, yeah, the 1.07 is the key. Okay, just to do a quick conclusion. Yeah, wait for the price confirmation at 1.07 short. All right. Okay, I think that's all for today. So remember, if you don't have any trade right now, don't open trade before the meeting, because that is a risky event. You better check out the real truth of the published data. Okay, you see the price action, after it. Okay, mark this critical price level and plan out for your trade. Okay, I think are we clear? Yeah, I think quite clear, right? So yeah, you can see that my method of analysis of the trade is quite simple and, you know, effective, right? So don't forget, if you want to master this these trading setups or all the trading, you know, strategies, consider to take out the course, because the course is really very convenient for you. You can learn it from your home. Okay, learn it from home. Okay, all the videos, all the lessons, I have made good recordings, and we have also a students group to share the trade, to check out before you take the trade. So it's here at harmonicasia.com. So yeah, welcome to take the course. If you ever take the course, I will make sure that you master all the strategies that I use. Okay, harmonic patterns, structured trading, foundation of technical analysis, you know, the rules of ESP 2618 trade, blah blah blah, right? Everything. Okay, type on here. All right, sure. Let me just type in here. How many people in the WhatsApp group for English chat now? It's almost 100 people. Yeah, almost 100. Yeah, our family is going bigger and bigger. We see 5? No, definitely no. These are almost 100. Oh, posting, yeah, because we are, a lot of students are in different time zones, right? Some are sleeping, you know, some are working, some are having some day jobs, right? But that's why we are having a weekly basis webinar for the students to quickly catch up on the trading setups for the week, right? Okay, so all the best, and plan your trade your plan. Okay, I see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Really, David, you bought a new car? Well, you never tell me. You never told me. Hey, send me a picture of your car. Take me a ride if I go to your country. All right. Just yesterday. Wow, David, congratulations. Really. That's good. Yeah, I always believe that you need to take some money from the trading. You know, you need to take the profit out, withdraw the fund, and, you know, to buy you a meal, buy you a car, buy you a house. All right. Let the trading work for you. Right. Sure. Really, congratulations, David. Proud of you. See you. For the Aussie Kiwi, I don't see the necessity to trade the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, you trade Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar if the DXY is going to have a big event. Okay, don't trade Aussie Kiwi. All right, bye bye.